Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Ringke product review video. Today we're going to be doing a dual easy film screen protector install for my Google Pixel 8a. Huge shout out to Ringke for giving me the opportunity to represent. Without further ado, let's do this. All right, everything looks great. The film screen protector went on very easy. I did forget to put this top piece on over this piece, but everything still worked out. Just read everything that's on the back of this box, and I mean everything, and do everything I did in this video, but do remember to put this little guy on. It does help. And if you have some sort of grippy, sticky pad like this somewhere in your home, use that as well so your device doesn't move around. But there are a few bubbles at the bottom and up top, not a lot. You can't even see them. But don't push those out. They will work themselves out overnight. And to make it so much easier on yourself, I would definitely just do this in the evening time again when it's not chaotic. You have a moment of peace, and then when you go to bed in the morning, the bubbles will be either completely gone or almost completely gone. So just have patience and enjoy the install. The case, a lot of lip surrounding that 120 Hz AMOLED display, 6.1 inch display on the back. A lot of lip and depth surrounding the cameras there, so whether it's this way or this way, you should be good to go. Really rough surface, please use your discretion, but all cutouts perfect. Buttons, volume rocker, power button, all working great. So yeah, everything's good to go here. I got all my protection. There will be a link for the Ringke Fusion Clear Matte and the Ringke film screen protector down below in the description area. Huge shout out to Ringke for giving me the opportunity. And with that, everybody, thanks for watching. Peace. I'm out.